Oh my gosh. I'm not even going to continue to try to repair this roof. It's definitely not repairable. Let's do one more shingle. Yeah. As you can see, that's right there is where the last one did. And over time with the storms coming through, it's just gotten way worse. This roof is definitely not repairable.